Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Vitavix Neck Support, whether it's legit or just hype. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, the Vitavix neck support is promoted as a non-invasive, wrapped-around neck brace designed to reduce snoring by keeping your airway aligned during sleep. The product is lightweight, adjustable, and said to use soft pressure to support your jaw and improve breathing posture overnight. The website emphasizes comfort, ease of use, and fast shipping. It sounds promising, but let's look at what real users are saying. Vitavix currently holds a 3.2-star rating on Trustpilot from over 600 reviews, which is fairly average. However, many recent reviews raise red flags. Multiple users reported the product did nothing to reduce snoring and described it as uncomfortable. One user said it's a total farce and offered zero benefit. Others experienced major issues with customer service. Complaints include being ignored after sending return emails, being stalled with repeated discounts offers to avoid refunds, and being asked to physically mail a PDF explaining their return reason, something many are calling a scam tactic. Now, for the bottom line, Vitavix Neck Support may sound like a simple fix for snoring, but based on user experiences, it appears to underdeliver on results and frustrates buyers when it comes to returns. Approach with caution, especially if you're experiencing a hassle-free trial or refund. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.